Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ty, and today we're going to be playing some more Pokemon Infinite Fusion. So if I remember correctly, last time we were playing, we beat the second gym by fighting Misty. So quickly I'm just going to go into the hotel. I forget if I've talked to this guy yet. I have not. So this guy actually gives you items. That's nice. Let me do this quick. Going to the... yeah, okay. Not what I thought. Just wanted to check, though. Actually, wait, no. I am right. I didn't do this stuff. So all of these people have quests. So let me just talk to them. Get that. And I can't do this last one on the right yet. They're just gonna be like, oh, you can't do it yet. So, I'll just skip that for now. And then, let's see. Since we beat the gym, now we can go down here. I'm gonna quickly go here. Because if I fight this person, they give me a, wow, lag. They give me an egg. That'll be good. My goodness, what is happening right now? On a little bit of lag today. I don't know what's happening with that. But, oh well, I guess. Hopefully it clears up at least. Okay, now that we talk to them, we get this quest nice and done. My goodness. Game does not seem to be liking me today. Really lagging. Okay. Talk to you. You give me a nice quest complete and berries, which is cool, I guess. Also, did I talk to you? I did. You give me a nice item. Sweet. And now I talk to you again, and then I get the egg. Perfect, perfect. Alright, now we're gonna go through the Nugget Bridge, because our next step is go to the next city, but to get to the gym, we have to, get to the gym, we have to, get cut. To get cut, we need, you're flying, why did I do that? To get cut, we need to get onto, I think the S.S.Anne, is it? I don't remember 100%, but just the cruise ship, basically. And in there, we need to go up to Bill's house. Kind of a Pokemon collector or something. Anyways, though, these guys really aren't too hard. We're really not gonna have much trouble with. Okay, we'll have trouble if they have stuff like that. But that's fine. No big deal. We can just heal. This real quick, and I'm back over. Let's see. Metapede, really? Okay, I don't know why I used that. That's bug type. Whatever. Kills that. Excellent. That. Number 4. I'll go top. Just use this. There's that. And then this is actually probably best because it's super effective. Okay. Sweet. This one, and then we get our nice reward. Ah, you're flying. I knew that. Why did I use that? Hex is definitely better. Then you. Brain Extender. No. I do not want to join Team Rocket. Blade. There's that. This should be fine again. Okay, sure. Oh, Metal Claw. 5095? I'll get rid of Fury Cutter. This is also not bad. I'll take it. I prefer the full accuracy. So that's pretty nice. And then now we get to a new route up here. Oh, jeez. That's sick. What is this? Okay. Actually, yeah, because this is a new route. I get to see what Pokemon they have here. We got... I don't really want that. Okay, I'm definitely trying to get this. I don't know if I will get it, because... Actually, you're fairy, right? You are fairy. Should I switch to you? And let me bide. Okay. Do you have, like... You do. You have Tackle. Come on. Yes! One more. Dang it. Come on, man. Tackle? Yes! Perfect. That's a great amount of HP. Dang it. How about this one? Yes! That's actually so good. Dark Dragon. I'm just gonna put that in the box for now. Actually, you know what? I want to heal to get rid of that Paralyze and everything. But one check, it might be nicer to have that compared to something I have. That down there. Let's see. What do I have? Yeah, let me get rid of this. I don't think I want that. I take Dark Dragon. Wow, I have a lot of steel though. That's gonna be nice though. It has shed skin, did that say? It does, yeah. This I don't want to use because it's super weak to dark. Like 4 times weak to dark. And that's not good. But it should be all good. Like, I'm not... Huh. I'm a little confused there. Oh well though. At least now we get to level up our new friend. Just do this a bit. Just in case. Okay, no, that was the last one. Did I fight you? I don't even remember what they had. I already have forgotten. That's awesome though. I just got a revive. It's actually really good because I need a revive for that one quest. That one's a pain to actually get. Ooh. Okay, cool. Okay. Seal Magikarp, that doesn't matter. Headbutt's amazing, yes please. Dang. Okay. That looks so sick. That's all good. Ooh, an old boot too. We do need one of those. That'll be for a quest later. Tyran Rom. Wow. Okay, so you are actually this should be good against you then, right? Yes. And I missed. What about this? Oh, God. Stupid is all. Okay, whatever. Go to you. Oh no, the rock's dug into you. You're dead. Mist ball? Is that any good? 70 and 100. I mean... I'll take it. I'll use it. Probably. Oops. I have to go around them. So annoying. There. Cloister Bruxish? I guess I'll just use this. Oh, wait, that's not very good. This then. There we go. Much better. Here. Another trainer. Okay, cool. I thought that was gonna be Glaceon and like Zapdos. There we go. That's easy. Of course you have sturdy. There's that. These guys are all easy because technically you can fight them before the gym. So they're supposed to be like building up to that gym. But like... It's really easy to just go to the gym because you level up through the cave and everything. So I just like to do it there instead. Okay. Damn it. I can get into that area and get that item early if I walk up a certain way, but they move in the perfect way that I walked past the other trainer. Oh, dang it. That's funny. Whatever. Get this done. Oh, yeah. Ow. Jeez. Was that 4 times effective, too? That's crazy. Let's do that. That's the last guy. Perfect. And now it's dark. Actually, it doesn't look bad on the capture. Luckily, it's better than other games where it's like pitch black when it's slightly dark. Alright. And you're spliced. Hi. Oh, what? You didn't see that, did you? Okay, I'll admit it. I was conducting research on Pokemon Fusion, but I might have screwed up. I wanted to see what would happen if you combined the DNA of a Pokemon with a human, but now these claws are much too big and I can't operate the cell separating system to turn myself back into a human. Hey, what's with that skeptical look? I'm not joshing you, I really need your help, so how about it? Help me out here. Yes. When I'm in the teleporter, go to my PC and run the cell separation system. Okay. Yay, and now you're a guy. So did you come see my Pokemon collection? You didn't. That's a bummer. I've got to thank you. Oh, here, maybe this'll do. An SS2. Perfect. And, where did that Rhydon go, buddy? Because it's just gone now. Okay. Whatever. They just killed a Pokemon. Full on. But... Oh well. Oh no. I just think that's funny. They separate the Pokemon from them, and then the Pokemon doesn't exist anymore. Like, it's just gone. What's up? All Corona Gibble. Good enough. Oh wow. And you give me this. Oh sweet. Actually, HP up is really good. Item. I didn't get an encounter here yet, did I? Is there anything good? That's not bad. Actually. I want to see if there's anything else better, though. There could be something interesting. That's also not bad at all. Steel and flying, I think, for that? And this is going to be grass dark. Oh, actually, I think I'm getting this. This thing is gonna be... like... it's not the craziest, but it's gonna have really good damage. Like, the damage will be really high for that. Let's see. Look at these epic sprites. Kind of like this one, but also this is really good. I think I'm going with this. And yeah, it's just fighting type. I kind of figured, but... on to know. It's item right there, item right here. Ooh! That's really good, actually. It's after this next gym we actually get the... we can revive fossils. Sure. This is good enough. It's you. Okay. So now we'll just grab these, and then this is another new route. So let's quickly take a look at what's here. Room Tang. That's tempting. That could be pretty good. Not seeing any others. Come on. It's gotta be like one more. That's also really tempting. I think I'll try to catch this. Kind of figured that would happen. And dusk balls aren't good because it's daytime right now, but it's okay because it's low level. Just throw you in the PC for now. Then let's just do this. We'll head on down to the city before fighting those last couple trainers. Excuse me. How about... okay, really? Yeah, it's terrible. Awesome. How about that? Dragon Breath? Ooh. That's good for you, too. I'm gonna wait for now, and it'll make sense why in a second, but... let's see if we can do this how I want to. Just swap these two. Ooh. This is good then. There's that, and then you... it's like pure dark, right? No, you're dark, right? Oh, that's fine. Good enough for me. Let me just heal my Pokemon. And then if I go right over... well, you know, I want to check the shop quick as well. Okay. Nothing interesting. If I go right over... not there. If I go in here... there is this guy who's lost their pickaxe. And we can, we can get the pickaxe. They're like, oh, you can keep it. And then we don't have to have Rock Smash anymore. So I can replace it with that Dragon Breath. By, just relearning it for $1,000 or whatever. Just have to make it there quick. Which is kind of a pain, but not too bad. There we go. What's up? My pickaxe of the boss gave me a new one, so you can keep this one, I guess. Thank you. Really good, actually. What do you want? You want water and fire type, and you want grabby legs from the S.S.Anne. So, let's see. I'm just gonna... Okay. We're gonna start off by quickly relearning that move before I forget. Here, there's Dragon Ball, or Dragon Breath. Jeez, Dragon Ball. Totally. Alright, then I'm gonna swap these two back, just because that one's definitely my stronger Pokemon. Free item. And you give me a ticket to, get a bike. So that'll be very helpful. Then let's head into the S.S.Anne. What's up? Take a little nap, get an item. Then, I need to go this way first. So I'm gonna save these, most of these battles because they're gonna be nice for farming up after we, I cannot think for the life of me. After we do the gym, that's what I'm trying to say. That'll be really nice. Just for the gym, we can do these battles, and it'll give me a good place to farm up a bit. I will get this item, because I don't want to just sit there. Okay, so that's like pure fire? Yeah, easy. A rower, thank you. And then this guy. Whimsicott. Whoops, I forgot I didn't have that anymore. I was gonna use the bug type move. Hey, what is wrong with me? Why can't I think? Fury Cutter, that's what it is. Jeez. No, you. No rematch. Whoops. There's the captain's key. Okay. Now let's just run over there, and that'll give me cut, which lets me get into the gym. We can do that. Hey, what's up? Let's see. Yeah. That's my attack going way up as well. Oh, geez, Sonic. Don't like that, ever. You're gonna be flying, though. It's just... Oh, of course, Flame Body. Dang it. What a pain. And what do you have? That's fine. Just finish that. And then we win! What's up? Yeah. What's up? thank you for Cut. They were feeling sick, so I rubbed their back for some reason. Just like, random person unlocks the door to your room, rubs your back, and you're like, oh, thank you. Thank you. It's exactly what I needed. Let's just get rid of Dragon Breath. That lets me go and do this gym. That should be pretty easy. Let's see. Lightning American, he's an expert on fire Pokemon. Sweet. That's actually super good. There we go. Taking a long time to load the one Pokemon. Okay, I can see why. Jeez. Hey. Let's actually, you know what? Let me heal quick first, just because I want to heal up and not do that. Let's swap Pokemon, because I think I should have some better stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. There. Because they're gonna have 3, I'll use these 3. This one's gonna be good, but doesn't really have anything too strong against them. Like, they have Aqua Tail, but I don't really want to just use that. And Earthquake is just really high damage, so I think that'll be better. So we'll just see what happens this time. We can always go back and heal again. I just think that might be bad. Hello. I mean, that one's a weaker Pokemon, so I'm not surprised with that, but good. Well, that is super good. Yeah, you're flying. Of course you are. One more? Yes, perfect. Okay. I'm gonna heal one more time because we're just gonna have to get to the gym leader now. Now we'll do that, and I think I'm gonna call it well, actually, I'll do one more thing after the gym. Because I just kind of have to go around a little bit to do it. Just have to find the stupid buttons. Just such a pain. This puzzle is not even really a puzzle. There, oh, thank you. I actually got it. Oh, man. Okay, hi. Cool. Whatever that was. Yeah. You are gonna fight me. Fire Pokemon saved you in the war. Let's do it. So, wow, that is kind of annoying. That's fine. Easy. Last one. Okay. Actually, no, that's fire, not flying. Because it's Talonflame. Now it's dead. Easy gym leader. Let's go. Thank you. Now I can do this. Hi. Yeah, I know. You can revive fossils. That's where I'm going. But now that we have teleport, I'm gonna give it to Billy. Get rid of Faint Attack. And then we can just teleport right up here. So first off, did I get... Yes, I did get the flowers. So you become a new Oricorio. And they're like, hey! That's sick. And then you give me another thing, right? Yes, perfect. So we'll check that out. Next, I want to quickly go here, because I got to revive. So I can finally give it to you. Yes, nice TM. And then, I want to go down here. Yeah. So I could have gotten here through Diglett Cave, but it's way easier to just cut my way in. There's an item there. There's this area, which has an item. And then I want to quickly do this. Yeah. Give me that quest. So now if I cut down all these trees, I can just not have cut anymore. That'll be very nice. Actually, I probably should have gone to the fossil thing first. Because it takes time to revive them. Like, you have to come back after a while. And that would have been a good time waster to just kind of do that. Here's an item. What, you wanted more? Here's an item that lets you cut trees. Thank you. And then, there is actually one other thing I want to do before I forget, and that's, I need a fishing rod right here. There we go. I guess there is a little more I want to quickly just grab, so I'm not, like, coming back next episode and completely forgetting about it. Now we have a bike, and then this guy gives us a Pokemon, I'm pretty sure. So now that I have a fishing rod, he's like, hey, I need a boot. And you fish up an old boot. That's awesome. If it's what I think it is, that is awesome. You know what, whatever, I'll grab this too. Okay. Back here. Jeez, there's so much to just grab real quick right now. That's kind of annoying. So I talked to you. Here's a Helix fossil. I have another fossil. You want me to do stuff there, and I'm just gonna stop here, because that'll be something I can do next time. But, yeah. Pretty good episode. We got another gym leader done, got some stuff going for us, new Pokemon coming in, bunch of good stuff. Anyways though, I'm gonna stop this episode here, so thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. And other than that, I will see you all next time. See ya!